What's up guys, Rooski Tech here, and welcome back to another tech review. I make tech reviews weekly, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified every time I drop a new video. In this video, we're going to be checking out the lightest Bluetooth speaker ever. Just to let you guys know, Creative did send me this speaker for free, and I will be giving an honest review on it. The Creative Muvo 2 is a portable Bluetooth speaker packing 2 full-range speaker drivers. This Bluetooth speaker is water resistant with an IP66 rating, and it also has a battery life of 10 hours. This speaker has Bluetooth capabilities while also letting you use a micro SD card with the built-in media player. My personal experience with this, and also my first impressions, is that this Bluetooth speaker is super portable and light. I've used a good amount of Bluetooth speakers, but this has to be the lightest one. It only weighs about 12 ounces, which is lighter than your average soup can. The thing that I always give props to Creative about is that their products always have amazing sound. This Creative Muvo 2 speaker has deep bass and also projects the music pretty far without losing the crispiness of the sound. Here's a sound test with the Creative Muvo 2. Even if you turn the volume up, the music does not get distorted and the bass isn't overwhelming, while also keeping that deep sound. Now the price of the speaker is only $50, and that is super cheap for the features you are getting and the amazing sound you will be experiencing. If you're looking for a super light portable Bluetooth speaker that has very crisp sound, then I highly recommend the Creative Muvo 2. All links will be in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then drop a like. And if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.